Hello everyone! So for today's video ay sasagutin ko lang yung tanong ng isa sa aking mga referrals kasi kaka-launch lang niya sa 51 Talk. Yung iba ay last September 29, 30 at yung iba naman is October 1. So palagi silang naghihintay every night because of course it is advised na mag-open sila ng maraming slots para naman visible sila sa mga students. Of course, they keep on waiting pero walang nagpapabook na mga estudyante. So normal naman talaga yan sa mga newly launched teachers. Kaya lang, ngayon kasing October 1 to October 7, that is what we call as holidays in China. So, they commemorate the National Day, Golden Week kasi sa kanila. So, yeah, that is known to be as their Golden Week, which is celebrated October 1st and extends to October 7. And the holiday commemorates the founding of the People's Republic of China, and that marks a major public holiday marked by festivities, large parades, flag raising ceremonies, and fireworks. So talagang sineselebrate yun ng mga people there in China. Possibly na yun yung reason bakit madalang yung ating mga estudyante at saka maraming mga cancellations na nangyayari sa ating mga nagpabook na mga students. So of course, parents are resting as well as the students would also like to have their break. So, wag lang kayong mag-alala, babalik naman yung mga regular students and mga fixed students after their holidays. Yeah. So, wag lang kayong ma-frustrate, wag lang kayong ma-discourage. Kahit nga kami ng mga FT teachers, sinabihan talaga kami ng aming JL or junior leader, wala talagang mga open slots for free trial to selected teachers only. Kasi nga, limited yung magpapa-free trial ng mga estudyante. So, just like me, I am still one of the probees, yung mayroong quota 30 days at saka hindi pa ako permanent as FT teacher. So, wala akong FT classes starting from October 1 to 5. So, pagka October 6, mayroon akong isa. October 7 naman, mayroon akong 5. Pero, unfortunately, I requested my junior leader na i-close yung mga open slots ko sa FT kasi nga, I am confined right now in the hospital. Yes. Yan po. So, I have pneumonia and that's very sad kasi I'm pregnant. 5-month pregnant already. Nakakasad talaga na nagkasakit ako kasi for pregnant, dapat mag-extra careful ka kasi low yung immune system ng pregnant. So, yun. Siguro dahil na rin sa overwork at saka usually nakakapag-overtime. It's actually a community-acquired pneumonia. Yes. Maybe Monday or Tuesday ay makalabas na ako ng hospital. Pero nagva-vlog pa rin. This is really part of me to do vlogging. So, hopefully I can have my fast recovery. Baka maging very affected yung baby ko dahil sa situation ko. Because of course, pneumonia is very risky, especially for pregnant women. So, iba talaga kasi yung pneumonia kung hindi ka buntis. Pero if you are pregnant, risky yun, especially sa fetus inside. Hopefully, I can have my fast recovery so that I can go back to work. I can go back to my daytime job and go back to my FT classes and regular classes. So, yun lang po. Wag lang kayong mag-alala. Pero yung iba naman ng mga teachers, by the way, mayroon naman talaga silang mga classes. So, depende pa rin yun sa teacher. Kasi yung iba punong-puno pa rin. Yung mga FT teachers naman, mayroon pa rin silang mga slots na available kasi they are permanent FT teachers. And for some teachers na talagang ay regular and fixed students na sila, na pinag-aagawan na talaga yung kanilang mga open slots. So, walang problema kahit na holiday. So, sa mga newly launched teachers, affected talaga kasi nga, you're still into promoting your name in the ESL company and it takes time. So, wag lang kayong ma-frustrate dahil kami naman na mga teachers nanggaling din dyan. Nagsimula rin kami dyan. That's normal. It's a ladderized progress in teaching and setting up your name as an ESL teacher here in our company. So, I hope na na-inform naman ang lahat. Thank you so much for watching and see you for more videos. Bye-bye! God bless!